What's up, guys? Today we'll be learning how to fly this Beechcraft Bonanza G36 in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. It's a pretty cool aircraft, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so we're inside the cockpit now. We're going to take our cursor and let's go to the top of the screen, opening up our taskbar. Let's go to this little check icon, click on that, bring our checklist over to the right hand side, click before starting engine, click on that. This opens up our before starting engine checklist. Next, we just got to go through all these. So parking brake should be set. Let's remove our yoke. Go down here. Our set parking brake is below the landing gear. I will highlight it right there. Let's pull this all the way out, and it is set. So take that item off our list so we know we have done it. All avionics should be off. This is our avionics right here. It should be off. This should be off, this should be off. If they're pointing down, they're off, so that is also good. Take that item. Fuel selector, fullest tank. It's on the left, and the left should have fuel, so we're fine. Take that item off our checklist. Battery and alternator switch on. If we go over here, oh shoot. If we go over here, you see battery 1, battery 2, alternator 1, alternator 2. Put these all on. There we go. It should boot up all the systems and stuff. Take that item off our list. Next, we got to go to the starting engine checklist, so flip the page by clicking this little tab up here. Mixture should be rich. Our mixture is this little red lever. Pull this all the way up. Putting our mixture rich. Prop RPM lever. It's this little blue lever. Put this all the way up. There you go. Take that item off our list. Throttle should be full. Put our throttle all the way up. Take that off our list. The fuel and boost pump should be on until flow peaks. So this is our fuel pump. Turn that to high. After we turn this on, it should be in the green selector here on the FF low GPH. It should be in green, so now we can turn this off. Take that item. Throttle should be open 1/2 inch. I like doing 20%. Just good. There we go. So our throttle now is at 20%. Take that item off our list. Next, magneto / start switch. Turn this little button here. I'll zoom out. If you go all the way to the bottom left, this right here, turn this all the way to start. And it should go back to both. Reset. Take our item off that list. We have started the engine of this aircraft. Throttle set to 1000 to 1200 RPM. If we go to our RPM gauge, which should be there, we're at 960 RPM. This right here, so it's slowly rising. There you go. Keep it right there. So we should have it at 18%, or even a little bit more here. So 20% throttle should be good. Take that item off our list. Oil pressure check. Our oil pressure is in the green right here. That selector is in the green, so we're good. Take that off our list, and now we have to go to the after starting engine checklist. So click this little tab. Avionics master switch should be on. If you go down here, it says avionics master. I'll highlight it right there. Turn this on and flip it up. Lights as required, so we can take that off our list. Lights as required. If you go down here, let's turn on our taxi lights. Let's turn on our beacon lights. Take that item off our list. Fuel boost pump, check if it's off. This right here, it is off, so that's good. Take that item off our list. Parking brake release, we'll do that when we're taxiing. So we are done with the checklist. Good job, everyone. Close our checklist. Go back to our taskbar, reset camera. Go to our little tower icon. It is ATC. Open that up. Grab it to the right hand side. We're going to tune ground. We're going to request taxi depart straight out.
Bozeman ground Beechcraft Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf with Charlie request taxi for takeoff departing straight out. Beechcraft Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf taxi to and hold short.
So we're going to hold short of runway 30. Alright, now we're going to acknowledge taxi clearance. And then we're going to click ground services. Ground services. Request pushback. Minimize ATC. Open our taskbar. Go to this little pushback icon. Open that up. It is a mod. I can link it in the description for you guys. There we go. So we're good. I'm going to go to our outside view. We're going to get a simple pushback to the left-hand side over here. Yeah, that would be good. We're gonna wait for this little guy to get onto this wheel. What? I'm pretty sure that's not where my wheel is. Okay. Okay, he corrected himself. That's good. We're gonna release our parking brake. Start our pushback. Release parking brake. Take speed. Put that up. We're just gonna keep on backing up, and then we're gonna go left. Or right, sorry. Be able to get in line on this line here. And then we'll be able to taxi using our motor. So that's good. There you go. Put down tug speed and push back. Then we gotta wait for this guy to clear our way. And then we can start taxiing. Let's go back to our camera, or in cockpit view. Reset our camera. We can close our pushback now. Okay, this guy does seem to be out of our way. Yep, he is. So we can start taxiing now. Release our parking brake. And now we just gotta taxi to the beginning of the runway. I will be back when I get to the runway. Alright, we're at the beginning of the runway here. Going to brake. Gonna get behind this yellow line. Let's open up our ATC now. We are going to go back to clearance, and then we're gonna tune tower. We are going to request takeoff clearance.
Bozeman Tower, Beechcraft Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf, ready for straight out departure at runway 30. Beechcraft Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf.
We are approved.
Departing straight out approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 30.
Alright, for takeoff. Acknowledge takeoff clearance here.
Takeoff runway 30, Beechcraft Sierra X-Ray Golf.
Alright. I'll let off our parking brake. We can minimize ATC now, and we gotta get onto the runway here, and we can take off. So here we go, guys. Follow this yellow line to the middle center of the runway. Should we brake? Alright. Not quite the center here. Alright, now this is center. Alright, we're gonna brake. We're going to initiate our parking brake. We're going to check our pitch, our elevator, and our rudder. Everything's looking good. We're gonna uninitiate our parking brake, full throttle. This plane needs a little bit of right rudder here, so it should be fine. It's pretty hard to control on the ground anyway. Alright. There we go. And we should be able to lift off now. And there we go, we are in the air. We are going to get to a slant of 10 degrees here, because that is the preferred. Alright, so we keep it at 10 degrees. We are climbing. This is really cool. We're going to get to 6,000 feet. We are going to retract our landing gear. You know what? We're gonna get to 7,000 feet, and then we're gonna do a turn around here. Alright, we're at a good height now. Our airport is right there. We're coming in from the left downwind leg here, stretch, and then we're going to come in and take it right onto the runway and have a nice smooth landing, hopefully. Alright, we're gonna be coming in for a landing here. You both throttle up at 50%. It'll be a good landing. We are looking good. Your flaps all the way down. Landing gears down. Keeping it at 50% here. We are a little, like, pretty high actually. So we're gonna descend quite rapidly. Make sure we are lined up with the runway. Here we are. We are getting quite a crosswind here. A little bit of a crosswind. We should be fine though for landing. Oh, turbulency here. We should be getting a good landing. Here we go. Make sure you're flaring. Drop the throttle. Just let it sink. And that is a smooth landing. There we go! Woohoo! Easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let me know which airplane you want me to fly next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.